Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of ColorFit Ultra. It's from the brand Noise and it's a fitness smartwatch. So let's get started. What all is there inside the box? Now this is a smartwatch. It's a fitness smartwatch and it comes from the brand Noise. It has a lot of features and all the features are mentioned on the box. Let's quickly go through the box. I love the packaging. It's quite smart. It has Noise branding on it. It's nice black color. Plus the model number is also mentioned here, ColorFit Ultra. And it's a fitness smartwatch. And it's designed in India. It's mentioned on the box. Now the features it has are, it has a 1.75-inch touch screen, so you get a nice display. Plus there's a blood oxygen monitor, which is nowadays so important that you check your blood oxygen monitor. Plus it has a 9-day battery life. It is promised by the brand. It also has a 360 into 385 px resolution. Plus you can also take calls and you can reply messages, you can read messages through this watch. It is IP68 waterproof. Again, that means it's water resistant. By mistake, if you take this watch and some water gets spilled on your hand, you're cleaning your hands and some water splashes on your watch, it has water resistant. Plus it's made of aluminium alloy body. That means it's more durable. Plus it has 60 sport modes, different modes, and it also has animated watch faces. So that is also there. So overall, that's all written on the box. Now let me just show it to you how this watch looks like. So this is how it is packed inside the box, and you also get this packet. It has the USB cable. There is a big display and this is how it looks. And the version is D12.5.8. And the feel is also very soft, and this is the USB cable. Let me open this and show it to you. So everything, all the features that the watch offers are mentioned in this. It's a very important booklet to read. You must go through this before you start using the watch. And there is a warranty card also from the brand Noise. So all these things come along with this Noise fitness smartwatch in the box. So this is the watch, USB cable, you get a warranty card, and you also get an instruction manual. There is a 9-day battery life. I hope you enjoyed unboxing of this fitness smartwatch from the brand Noise. For more videos, stay tuned in.